Greetings, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you for being here for this quick Linktivity link to quotes tutorial. Last week, I created a quote, and when I went to send it out, I got an error message. So what can happen sometimes is when you have different settings with email, sometimes settings change with the provider that provides your email. In this case, it's Office 365. I have, in essence, a Microsoft Exchange account through Office 365, and they made some changes. Therefore, the folks at Keystroke, the makers of Linktivity products, had to do an update. So when I logged in this morning, on the right-hand side, you'll see there's a notice, May 21st, 2024, telling me that I need to reauthorize my account so it recognizes how to send out an email. But the question becomes, okay, how do you do that? So I zoom this in to make this screen a little bit bigger. I'm going to go back to sort of the standard size, so bear with me one second. When I do that, you'll see everything gets a little smaller, but I want to take it inside. So to do this step over here, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on the hamburger icon, and I'm going to go to General Settings. Once I go to General Settings, I'm going to go to Workspace Settings. Once I get into Workspace Settings, I want to draw your attention down the screen to this area right here. And see where it says Access Granted? What I'm going to do is I'm going to click the X, then I'm going to click on Authorize, and let it authorize again. Now there might be a setting I have to go through here, but I'm just waiting for this to reauthorize. So at this point, I have to sign into my account. To do this, you will need to know your password for your email address. So I'm going to do that right now. Bear with me a second. It's asking for permission to be able to use the email in this tool. I'm going to click Accept. And now it's been authorized. Okay. So that's all I had to do. I think if I come back, and I'm just making a little bit of an assumption here, if I come back and refresh the screen by pressing F5, what I'll see is this should change to authorize. So let me refresh the screen in my browser. And when I do that, it says access granted. And those are the steps you need to take to get this set up working for you again. Okay, my friends, that's how you work with it. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Be well. Bye now.